welcome back to Numsmart channel. So today I just been to Bunning Warehouse. So firstly I want to buy some circular saw, but one I just arrived there and then I see the box of 5-piece set kit for the cordless tools. So I just want to compare if I just buy each individual tools, which one gonna be cheaper, or if it's gonna be worse to buy in the flat set of them in the box. So let's unboxing together. Let's go. So in this box is a brand Osito. It contains 5 pieces kit. So the first one is drill driver, the second one is impact driver, the third one is angle glider, the fourth one is circular saw, the fifth one is detail sander, and also including 2 of 4 amp-hour batteries and 1 compact fast charger. So let's see inside is how worth is this one. I bought this one in $249. So it's come with 5-year warranty as well. This one. Also the first one is impact driver. Be this one. This one detail sander. And 2 battery. And then compact fast charging. And this one angle glider. This one drill driver. And last one is circular saw. So let's see, the first one is detail sander. So if you buy individual, you need to pay this much money. So the second one is angle glider. So if you buy just individual, you need to pay this money. And the next one, the third one is impact driver. So if you buy individual, you need to pay this much. And the fourth one is drill driver. If you buy individual, you need to pay this money. And the fifth one is circular saw. If you buy individual, in this size 165 millimeters, so you need to pay this money. And also in this kit you will see like 2 of battery, got 2 of them, so by each one you pay this money. And for the charger, so this one charger for 18 volt, so you need to pay this money. So you will see after you compare individual buy and you buy in the box like this one, you will feel that it's worth money of if you buy in the set, and also you can keep that for using in another purpose that you might need to do something else. So it's worth to do that. If you want me to review anything again, so please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Numsmart is click like and share for me. And I'll see you next one. Bye bye.